Good morning, friends. Here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of Garware fiber. You can see on the screen. Garware technical fibers. So right now you can see about innovative and application focused solution has the value customer globally. Various continuous improvement products services to become preferred partner of our customers. The solution companies providing in fisheries, agriculture, aquaculture, wide range aquaculture, and shipping and industries, yarns and threads, sports, coated fabrics, agriculture, geosynthetic. So a lot of companies doing work, different work. So in the you can see in the agriculture what kind of business the company is doing. Okay, so you can see agriculture. Garware Technicals provide the wide variety of agriculture shade nets. Okay, so you can see on the net shade nets the companies provide sericulture nets, insect net, fencing net, floriculture net, crop support net. Okay, very good. So let's see more fundamental. Similarly, you can check all other business of the company on the site. So let's more fundamental here. So let's go on the chart of the company. So this is the long-term chart of 5-year chart of the company. You can see how company given a bullish return 500 rupees to now this is 2000 3000 rupees, ultimate 5 to 6 time growth. Again, particular investor become multi billion and maybe crore-patis. Now you can see here the delivery of the company. This is the you can say monthly delivery 60-50%, very good. Update, you can see the corporate action is 2.7 consistent companies paying dividend since the last year 2020 when the lockdown was there. Company paid 2 times dividend, 10 rupees, 7 rupees. Okay, perfect company for the passive income. You can see the indicator. This is the company relative strength, commodity channel, William R, money flow, rate of change, standard deviation, MACD. So you can check all these with technical advisor. So this is the fundamental. This is sector textile, industries textile. You can see the website. Now price, current price is 3,367, market cap 6,942, EPS 83 rupees, P 40 rupees, industry P 20, book value 408, price to book value 8 times, dividend 0.07, number of shares 2.06, face value 10. So this is the result of the company. You can see on the screen how company basically growing. Just see the quarterly result. You will be surprised that company's quarterly result either consistent or either growing. When the lockdown was open, company given March 2020 335, very good. And when you see this very good chart for the sales, because the company is going 10 to 15% sales growth. Okay. Similarly, company's EBITDA is also growing. Okay, perfect. Margin maintained by very good by the company. Interest, companies paying slowly companies reducing their interest. You can see how company reducing 2.46 to 2.36, very good sign for the company. PBT is also increasing, PAT is also increasing. You can see the PAT is quarterly PAT. Similarly, company's EPS is also growing. When you go into the annual, you will be see that how company is growing sales every year. 600 crore in 2013 and now this is 1000 crore. Exponential growth by the company. And a very positive thing that sales is growing at what much speed, but profit is growing better than their sales growth. So earlier 62 crore in 2013, but now 204 crore yearly earning by the company. Interest, you can see interest companies reducing their interest, very good sign. Okay, PBT is also increasing. See, net profit is also increasing, a bullish trend by for the net profit. What a company, a solid company. And when you see the EPS, company EPS is also growing from 38 to 76 since last 5 to 6 years. Okay, and then you can see about the company's ratio here. Return on equity right now is 20, okay, and return on capital employed is 24.48. Return on asset is 12.62, very good. You can see the last 5-year return on equity and return on capital employed. When you go into the efficiency ratio of the company, you can see EBITDA margin is growing 16% to 20% to 21%. Very good sign. Ultimate sign for the company. And then you can see how company's book value is increasing. Earlier it was 200 crore. Book value is 200 rupees. Now it is 393 rupees. Very good sign. Okay. Similarly, you can see here working capital. Company working capital also reducing. Very positive sign. And after that, when you go into the financials, you can see financials. This is a different chart of the company. Going to the balance sheet. Wow, very good sign. Wow, very good. Company's promoters reducing their equity capital 23 crore to 21 crore to 20 crore. Positive for a very good. Companies having their financial team and balance sheet team maintaining healthy and very solid balance sheet. What a company, a solid company. Reserve is growing like anything. Like MRF, company is growing very good. Ultimate return in the reserve. Company's net non-current liability is 48 and current liability is 460. When you compare with the non-current asset 494, current non-current asset 494 and current asset 825. When you see that cash in bank, company 57 crore cash maintained by the company. Very good sign. Short-term investment increased to 239 exponentially. Inventory is also growing to 190. Very good. Sundry debtors 242. Very good. Ultimate company, sir. Ultimate company. Net sales increasing. Similarly, expenditure, interest, depreciation, taxation. After reducing everything, company is creating good profit. Company is maintaining healthy cash flow here. You can see very good. And you can see what a situations. You can just click here and you will see how promoter is believing in this company, increasing their position 50.7 to 53.2, 52.6, 52. So company is slowly growing. Small reduction in the last 1-2 quarter, but this is very marginal. You can see promoters believing in this company. FII increasing their position 5 to now 8-9%. Very good. DI increasing and you can see non-institution also reducing, but FII is solid increasing in this company. Shareholder, you can see these are the shareholder. I think it will not come in, no problem. You can check it later on. Okay. So as report scan, you can see about the scan deal. Okay. Hope this video helped you to understand the fundamental of this company, Garvey Technical Fibers. Always check with your advisor before buying stock.